Sorry. So, hey, what's up? My name is Amerogin and I am 21 years old. I live in here. I live here in Santa Clara. Hey, what's up? My name is Amerogin and I am 21 years old. Hey, what's up? My name is Amerogin I am 21 years old. Hello there, my name is Amerogin I am 21 years old and I live here in Sultan Kudarat. It is a province found here in Philippines, Mindanao. When I was 8 years old, I've been fascinated about technologies. I've been exploring things, I've been doing things on my own with my uncle's computer, like a laptop. He has this laptop and I've been doing a lot of explorations and broke his laptop from that. And that inspired me to enter a program in my college, which is computer science, bachelor in computer science. And the university I've entered is one of the highest universities here in our province. It is a state university. It is called Sultan Kudarat State University. And throughout my learning experiences in the program, which I'm currently a third year and in a culmination part of the semester, and I'm about to be a fourth year student, senior student of Sultan Kudarat, and I'm so excited about my next journey. And throughout the years of the program, I've delved myself into different courses that includes data structures, programming, C++, and C++, and those other languages. I've been trying to learn Java with my Android development, and as well as right now, which I am trying to put my hands into Python. And thank you to my professors because they've introduced me to C++, which was one of the difficult languages, and it really is an edge for me because I've learned the most difficult languages and then later learn the other languages, which is a great shift because it was easier for me to shift to different languages, programming languages. And then other courses like UI UX, which is as an layout artist, I've really love UI UX to be knowing the users and to be knowing what they want, how they want to experience everything in terms of its interactivity, in terms of its interface. I love that part. I love UI UX. And one of my projects was the POS systems. That POS systems we made a system that could be helpful for different companies. It's like a management systems for a specific company, but that specific company is just like not really a legitimate company, but it's like concept one, and we were tasked and we were assigned to make something that would help that company. And I've been using with that is Microsoft Visual Studio with a database tool that is capable of doing the data server side, that is for the MSQL, Microsoft SQL, like that. So by doing that, I've been able to have also learned different programming language and adding one more programming language, which is C++, and then the XML, which is on the scripting side. Another project that I've made was it is like under the web development, which I've created my own online portfolio using the basic one for creating websites, which is HTML, CSS for its visuals, and then JavaScript for its functions, or how does these functions works, and other scripting sides of that specific online portfolio I made. And other than the web development, other than that was something like food ordering management systems, like just simple POS, also POS systems from using PHP. And then other than that, I've also created AI powered projects, which is the first ever creation that I did with AI was handwritten digit recognition, which is you write on paper and then it recognize what what digit it is. It is 1 from 0, and it can also be capable of recognizing other than digits but text also and symbols, which is it's just an academic project. And following that as other ongoing projects right now, which is this is going to be my thesis consideration, which is very cliche, but I think it would really help more AI tools to be more more improved in some ways. There are three ones. We have the first one I've created. I'm ongoing creation is plastic recognition, and then fabric textile classifier, and then Heligainon based chatbot. Because Heligainon, the part one, the last one I said, Heligainon is our local language here in my province, one of the most used local language here in my city, Tacloban City. And in the fabric textile, I really wanted to dig in the culture of our province, which is we have our own textiles created by indigenous people, which I really want to preserve. So the goal of those two other projects was to preserve our culture, tradition, and I think that is one of the step of my own creation. And across the years, I've been having different YouTube tutorials, which YouTube really helped me step up my games, step up my learning, my educational journey to computer science as well, because YouTube is an open source. And then throughout those learnings, throughout those YouTube tutorials, throughout those courses in my program, it made me realize that my my program is very vast. It has a lot of fields they can consider too. So makes me a bit of confused about which job should I go to. Should I become a software engineer? Should I become a data analyst? Should I become cloud engineer? Should I become a network engineer? So that really confused me at some point. And one thing that fascinated me is artificial intelligence. I really wanted to put my hands on artificial intelligence because AI has been evolving and it's been one of the used nowadays. Like most viral technology that is quite revolutionizing our industry right now and as well as our society. Artificial intelligence is so vast. The umbrella of the artificial intelligence is so wide that it has many parts and it has many use cases, purpose. And one of fascinates me is generative AI. So I've been attending different types of events, virtual and on-site events, and to define generative AI, what I know about it is it's like capable of generating text, images, videos, and other data using from a model that is a generative model that will be trained by us or trained by other people, and the one of my known avenue that use this is Virtual Protocol. I've heard from a Facebook Facebook friend that she shared this, and I was like hooked in and curious about what is Virtual Protocol. And as I've searched about Virtual Protocol, and it says that it is like a convergence between artificial intelligence and metaverse, and the goal is there is to build the future interactions of people. So I bet metaverse is now being used in our technology. For example, virtual reality or VR, augmented reality, AR, and even both of them as a mixed reality. And the only thing that makes me think about metaverse is the immersive experience together with the artificial intelligence. So it's like very much going towards artificial general intelligence, like closer to almost human, but not really that far. We are so close but far, you know what I mean. So that's what it is. And to just say, back in 2022, ChatGPT has been a tool that I've been using firsthand on my AI experience. So ChatGPT has been the leading generative AI back on 2022, and that I've been using it to assist me in my studies, but not unethically and not like copy pasting. But I'm using ChatGPT as something that would assist me to know about these things that I don't know. It makes life easier to know about specific things or topics on my studies. For example, I just wanted to know this because it makes me confused on what this topic want me to tell, and that I just search that specific topic and put it inside the prompt it, and then it gives me the best answer that would get from its trained model. And it's actually very nice to know about that and to have that. So I'm very thankful at that time. So that opens my mind to generative AI and its capabilities, its power, its potential to revolutionize technology in our society. And from that, I've known about Virtual Protocol, that is a decentralized factory. It is a factory where it produces diverse AI entities or models that us, the trainers of those models, can fine tune or create those models or models for our specific characters. And these AI entities that are being produced are, like what I've said, metaverse plus AI immersion. Like we'll be able to be immersed in, and it can also be interacted through textual coding textual, or maybe just a voice data that would be translated also as to text and then interpreted by the computer system or AI itself. From that interpretation, it can be able to have a three core responses, that is the goal also of the virtual protocol. Number one is a tuned voice, which is specifically made. For example, you have a character like Pikachu or any characters you think about, and then those voice you can feed the computer to know about what voice should it says. And then in terms of in text, and then the third part is the motion part, where you can act like you want it to. So by those three, you can be able to make a character from a model you created. And then it also has different subcores, and one I like it is character core, which is we're being to train this large language model. We're going to fine tune it, and then it would have this unique persona, and that covers the linguistic structure, it covers the conversational abilities, and as well as language subtleties. So by this, we can be able to transform human or non-human or virtual character into a digitized, immersive, interactive, and AI-powered characters. Even yourself, you can even train yourself. You can even make a model about yourself that acts like you, moves like you, says like you, and has a cognitive ability just like you. Now, what I know about this use case of virtual protocol is, according to it, virtual protocol is going to be the backbone of decentralized AI for gaming, which is very nice. Imagine announcer for a game. You don't need to they you don't need to have an announcer, but rather a computer to analyze the game, analyze the data, statistics, and automatically says or announce or make it assistant assistive in a way. And also in the character side and the user side, if the gamer wants a assistant, then it would also be an edge for them, like a coach, for the example, a virtual coach. That would be nice, I think. So, but it's not just that. This is an example, but there are also other technologies or online spaces that in needs of AI integrations, and that can be personalized, customized, or tuned in a way that we want to as a co-owner and also the owner of the um, virtual protocol or protocol. So there are different applications that can be integrated. The model we create that can be integrated to their system will be used and can be able to make life easier from that. So I think that's makes great. This that virtual protocol is one of the a great way of a concept that would be a decentralized factory for us as a technology enthusiast and those companies or applications that really want to integrate their or make their systems or applications AI powered. So that's all. I really wanted to thank this opportunity to apply for ambassadorship, virtual protocol ambassadorship program. It's really an opportunity. I'm really thankful. I'm really grateful. I think the future holds. There's a great future holds within here, and I think being one of the ambassador would really not just benefit me, but as well I really wanted to make a contribution to it as a green coder, as someone who is enthusiastic about technologies, AI, and other related fields. And I am so happy that I could be able to share my thoughts and sparks other interest in regards with the goal, mission, vision, goal of the virtual protocol. And thank you for that. I hope this application could be considered and have a good day.